Okay, hi all. I just wanted to show you a little bit about how to navigate Schoology, my courses specifically. So first I just want to show you how to get to Schoology. So if you go to the Seattle Schools website and you go to the drop-down Students down to Schoology, okay, then we'll take you to the Schoology page. One thing that I want to mention is, okay, so you click on Courses. You are responsible for both language arts and reading. Okay, I understand that block when we're in school is like one long period. But on Schoology it's separated by writing, which is the language arts course, and reading, which is the reading course. Okay, so let's look at language arts first. Okay, so for each new assignment that I'm uploading, like each new project, I make a specific folder for it. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the competitive sports argument essay. Okay, that is the folder we're working on right now. Okay, argument letter, hopefully you've already submitted that. That was something we were working on last week. Theme essay, this is just a spot for you to submit your theme essay because a lot of you had zeros on it and a lot of you have turned that in, so thank you. Okay, so let's go back and look at the competitive sports argument essay. So when you click on the folder, like it says, you will find lessons and materials that will help you draft and then submit. So click on this. Okay, and then what you should always look at are the PDFs, okay, because the PDFs are my lessons, and I've tried really hard to make it so that my lessons are things that you can do at home, either by yourself or if your parents can help you out, that's great too. But they're very self-explanatory. They take you step by step by step. This one is about how to complete your outline, and it shows you all of the steps of the outline, from the claim to the topic sentence, to the elaboration, etc. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, and then you'll also see in the competitive sports argument essay folder, I have an example. Oh, excuse me, this isn't the example, this is just the actual outline. Okay, so this is the work that I want you to do. And then here I have the example, so make sure you're reviewing that too if you need some help on what it should look like. Okay, and then finally, in the folder, I always have a spot for submission. Okay, so submit your completed outline. This is where you would go to upload your outline. Okay, and so when you click on it, for you it looks different. It'll take you to a spot that actually allows you to submit assignment over here. I cannot show you because it does not allow me to do a student view. It only has a teacher view. If you do not remember how to submit from class, the few times we've done it there, you can always try to call a friend or text a friend or whatever platform it is that you guys are using, TikTok a friend, and ask them, or if you're having trouble with that too, just go ahead and email me your assignment. Okay, if the submission is too hard, just email it or copy and paste it in the comments somewhere. Okay. Alright, so that was language arts. So reading is mostly set up the same way. Okay, so if you go to the COVID-19 school absent lessons, okay, there's a lesson for each reading assignment. Okay, and then in each reading assignment, okay, so this was the last one that was due, reading to understand bias. So you click on the folder. Again, the PDF is the lesson. Okay, and the lesson walks you through. I usually give my example. Okay, have my little Bitmoji. And then if you go back, there's this place to go ahead and go submit it. Okay. I hope that this helps a lot. If you have more questions or you'd like me to do something else like this, please go ahead and comment so that I can do that for you. Okay, great.